That looks so cool. So today we're doing a little Halloween experiment with baking soda and vinegar. You see little pumpkin faces. And Tony's gonna decide what color he wants. What color do you want? Is that blue? Okay. Can you open it for you? Yeah. What color is it?
Red.
Put a lot of glue in that one. Let's squeeze the whole bottle out.
Whoa, Dad! Dad! Look it!
I want to see how he's gonna react to it. Alright, that's enough.
Wow. That's cool.
That's cool. That's not even the cool part. Green?
Yeah.
You don't want any of these other colors?
Yeah.
What color? You can pick green if you want. Up to you.
Green.
I think that one's teal.
Yeah, teal. Not teal.
Put a little bit of red in that one.
Yeah, I did.
Let's see how this one's gonna turn out.
Yeah?
Okay, that's enough. Ooh, looks kind of blue.
Yeah, I'm really blue.
It's blue, I think, because of the red.
Yeah.
Now, what color?
Pink.
You want pink?
Yeah, pink.
Open it.
Yeah. That's baby.
Yeah, put it in the next cup.
Yeah. Do you want? Yeah.
I think that's enough, Nancy. A little bit more. Careful. Woo, okay. Good. We're gonna mix them in a little bit.
What's in?
You want purple? Last color you're gonna do is purple?
Yeah, purple.
Let's do purple.
What's in the purple?
Yeah, put it in here.
Okay.
You'll see something cool happen.
It's purple. This is tasty.
Tasty. Ew, you don't want to taste this. Hold on. You don't want to taste that.
Taste it.
Yeah, it doesn't taste good, huh?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna mix it and we'll be right back. No, you don't want to try it? Alright, so this is what happens when you pour the vinegar So that was the red one. Go. Go. Do the blue. That looks so cool. Which one's next? Teal? Do it. Go for it. That's cool, huh? That one looks so nice. It's like a nice blue. Okay, and that one's pink. Orange.
That's cool.
Okay, there it is. There it goes. Came out somewhere. Now the purple. Wow.
That's cool.
That was so cool. Poor little pumpkin faces. Ooh, look at that one. There you go. Touch it. Touch it. Ooh, it's bubble. What does it feel like?
Yeah.
Does it feel weird?
Yeah.
Oh, look at your finger. Look at your finger. Ah, it looks like blood. Now the purple one?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
How did it feel?
I like it.
You like it? Was that cool to watch?
Yes!
You're just dipping your finger in all the colors.
I'll take blue.
Go ahead.
Blue.
The bubble.
Blue. That's yummy.
That's disgusting.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Blue.
Oh, look at your finger. Let me see your finger. Look at it. That's awesome. Bye. Thank you for watching our little science experiment. Did you like it?
Yeah.